everyone, I am Dr. Anshu Mishra. I am a cosmetic and plastic surgeon, and today I'll be talking about one of the most commonly performed procedures in plastic surgery, that is liposuction. So as the name suggests, liposuction is a surgical procedure in which the fat is suctioned out from the specific areas of the body like abdomen, flanks, back, thighs, arms and neck to improve the body contours. Not only that, it can be combined with abdominoplasty to give you better results, and it is also a treatment for a condition called gynecomastia. So this procedure can be done under local anesthesia with the intravenous sedation, or it can be done under general anesthesia depending upon the areas that needs treatment. Using small incisions in the hidden areas, first the infiltration fluid is infiltrated or injected into the treatment areas, and then using the suction, the excessive fat is then removed. Now, depending upon the different technologies which are available now, there are different techniques of liposuction. The conventional technique is suction-assisted liposuction, which utilizes the tumescent fluid infiltration in the areas, in the specific areas, followed by the suctioning of the fat. The other technique is power-assisted liposuction. The difference is that the cannula which is used for liposuction, in power-assisted liposuction, it vibrates, and because of the vigorous to and fro motion, it helps in removal of densely collected fat or fibrous fat. The other technique which is used nowadays is VASA. So this technique utilizes ultrasonic energy to break the fat, and this emulsified fat is then suctioned out, and this technique is also known to cause better skin contraction. If the harvested fat is required to be used as for autologous transfer, like for buttock augmentation or for breast augmentation, then water jet assisted liposuction is a very good technique for that. So in this technique, very high pressure fluid is injected and simultaneously the fat is harvested. So coming on to who are the ideal candidates for this procedure. So I would like to emphasize here is liposuction is not a weight loss procedure. It basically improves the body contour by removing the stubborn fat. So ideal candidates are those who are within 30% of their normal healthy weight range. The post-op recovery, if we talk about it, then it's a daycare procedure. The patient is discharged the same day. They can do their day-to-day activities. There will be little pain post-operatively, which can be taken care of by the painkillers that we prescribe. There can be swelling. It takes 2 to 3 weeks for the swelling to reduce, and the results, they keep on improving from 2 to 3 days to 2 to 3 months. And there can be bruising, which basically takes around 2 to 3 weeks to settle. The patient can do light exercises, but they should avoid strenuous exercise for minimum 3 weeks. It is also important that after the procedure, you follow a good healthy lifestyle, inculcating or incorporating healthy diet and good exercise regimes.